This is for simply those who wanted to see me run God of War 3 on the PS3. As you can see, only pain awaits me here. But I've been getting this request for too long. If you want to see God of War 3 on an Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card and 16GB of DDR3 RAM. This is God of War 3, guys. Pain. I will not test Ascension anytime soon. We won't be doing this to ourselves. You have no idea how long it took me to even get to this part in the game. I'm gonna pause and show you the settings I have on because I feel like they probably do matter. Holy crap, it's compiling shaders even there. Well, let me show you real quick. So I do have the SPU block size to mega. What else did I change? I do have right color buffers on as well because I felt like some parts weren't running properly without it. And asynchronous texture streaming. And the last one I had on was the drive wake up to 50 so that, you know, it doesn't go to sleep on me. Because, like I said, it took 10 years to damn launch this thing. Especially the logo, the Santa Monica logo just was like, ugh, it didn't want to go anywhere. Yeah, this is what I expected though. This is what I expected. God of War requires a very strong CPU, guys. This is a bottleneck. This is what we call a bottleneck. It is optimization, but it's a bottleneck, clearly. Because you can run this on higher end CPUs. In about a year, maybe they'll get it down to run on the i7. Who knows? Maybe they never will. Who knows, guys? I tried, but I've been getting this request for like a year, and here we are with God of War 3 on the PS3 with i7-4790. It ain't doing it. It ain't doing it. This and Uncharted, they ain't doing it, guys. They ain't cutting it. But unfortunately, I hope you guys enjoyed the video once again. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys are curious about games, you can always leave a comment down below, and I will get to it eventually. Just not Ascension. I'm not doing Ascension yet. Give it some time. But other than that, we're game to test everything on it. With God of War yet, it can't run on the CPU. It's just not ready yet. Damn, he just dove right in like ooh. Damn. Send them flying like no. Kratos like damn, I better not get hit like that. Now once again, this is being run on a capture card, so even if it crashes, hey, we still have the footage at least, and this wouldn't all be a complete and utter waste of my time, which I can live with. Did the audio go or is it just too slow? Okay, that seems like a you problem, to be honest. Seems like a bit of a you problem. I'm gonna dip somewhere else. Can I dip somewhere else? With my 10 FPS. Honestly, right? I don't know why I did that. That's just even more. That's just even more power that I would need to run that. That was crazy. 8 FPS, guys. This is God of War 3. Beautiful. Like, I wouldn't recommend this to anybody. Considering I'm worried about it, you know, crashing. I wouldn't warn things for anyone, dude. This is rough. And it's 40 gigs too. Crap's heavy. I swung way too early there. So don't expect The Last of Us or anything like that soon. But I already have tested those. Last of Us didn't last very long. At least God of War is getting somewhere. To be fair, it's getting further than Uncharted 1 did. I don't know if Uncharted 2. Yeah, it's getting further than Uncharted 1 and Uncharted 2, I must say. It is getting the furthest out of all of them I've tested. Those big AAA exclusives. It is getting furthest than them. I don't know what. Oh, geez, I just keep digging myself even further by going even further and further, aren't I? How the hell am I supposed to fight Poseidon like this? Fighting Poseidon is like 6 FPS. Oh jeez, oh jeez. I don't even know what you did to me, it was so laggy. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. We're trying to be the biggest benchmark channel on YouTube, guys. We want to be big. All low-end stuff where I try to randomly test games that I should not try to test. Okay, I can do that, but where am I going? Yeah, but where am I going? Should I still be going to him to try to hit? Oh yeah, I still can hit him. Okay. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. This ain't it. This ain't it. Actually, we can hold a bit longer, hopefully, without it crashing. To be fair, it's not my CPU isn't at 100%, which Call of Duty 3 it is. I mean, I call that special in itself. But we weren't getting the frames we were getting there. Now, were we? My GPU is doing nothing. This is what pain really looks like. It's not a good look. Dude, I'm just spamming square at this point. I'll see you guys next time.